Alright, this is Muhamad Kataw. We're going to go over our apple pie project. So starting this off, we're only going to make it compatible with the iPad. So if you try to run on an iPhone, it will not work. That being said, we're going to run it and it's going to load our application onto our emulator or simulator, sorry. So we're going to let that load and then we're going to go over some of the code. And one important piece of code I want to talk about, which is this for loop over here. And basically what it does, if guessed letters that contains one of the letters, we're going to append that letter onto that variable. If not, we're going to keep it blank and then continue the loop. Another way of saying this is we're going to start it off with an empty string variable. We're going to loop through each character of our word. And if that character is inside of is one of the characters in guessed letters, we're going to then convert it into a string and then append it onto that variable and continue the loop from there. So now that we got that said, the main is basically where we keep our design of our app, where we have our tree, our buttons, our labels and whatnot. And then we're going to go into the view controller. This is where we hold a list of words, which is all the words we're going to be playing with in this game basically. Besides that, we're going to keep count of our wins and losses as well and update our UI through over here. Now onto the application. I know the first word is going to be Buccaneers, so we're just going to type that in to make sure it works. So Buccaneers. And now we got one win, and now we're going to try to get one wrong. And now you're seeing the apples start to disappear. And once we run out of apples, the game resets, and then we have one loss. So that's going to conclude our project for today.